Hey, good morning, guys. Today, I'll be doing a raised garden bed with the leftover pickets and the 2x4s from the fencing. You guys can see here. So the plan is these are 3" and 11/16 wide, and I cut them to about 40 inches. Yeah, 40 inches long. I'm gonna stack 3 of these together, and that will be the wall, one of the wall. Um, then the next thing is to cut about, I would say, 12 feet, just like that. Stack them 3 high, go all the way across. So I decided to do a little bit fancy today and play around with the 45 degrees angle using the miter saw, and just butt them up at the end like this, just like that, and using a 4x4 at each corner for the support. And then to join these pieces together, I'm just going to cut a 2x4 and screw those into place. So let's go ahead and start cutting. I'm going to show you guys when I finish with all the cutting how to assemble it all together. Alright, this is the mock-up. As you can see here, 4x4 corners, 2x4 in the center. Just need to cut 2 more 2x4 for that right there and that right there. I cut these posts about 1/8 of an inch shorter than the total height when all 3 of these stack together. The reason for that is so I can put about 1/8 of an inch of soil on top of that, so it will cover up the post, make it look flush. So I have another idea, is add benches to the corners of each benches to each corner, and maybe 1 or 2 in the center using the 2x4 and the 4x4 as support. We'll see how they work out. Alright, go ahead and start nailing these together. So what I did is I made 2 extra pieces going this way just to brace it and also make everything square, bring all the sides together and keep it together that way. So when I do add a bench on there, instead of this just flexing like that, it will put some of the load also on this side, helps it stays. But I think when all the dirt and soil goes in, it's just gonna hold the weight anyways. But hey, you can never be too safe. Basically do these kinds of fastening right here, that way it hides the screws instead of screwing it outside like this. It's really good for like picture frames and anything that you don't want to see the screws. You can see right here there's a big gap because it's how the wood bows. So having these will, bring them together. Keep your project a little bit more square. Boom. Just a quick update. I say it's about 50% done. Added the left piece. Just gonna add the right piece. Then horizontal pieces for the bench. Decided to I'm gonna do like a full, I guess, recliner. So the seat's gonna stop right here, Then it's gonna start sloping down. I would say to here. That way we can just sit down with a leg kick out and relax. So let's hope it works out. Hey guys, for today we decided to stop and just go ahead and put the dirt down first. Finally got some help. I think she's doing a great job. So we're gonna put the soil down first, and then I'm gonna build the bench around it. For the soil, just to cut down the cost a little bit, I'm using half all-purpose, and then half of the organic raised bed mix. Just put one bag down, and then the other bag on top. Just mix them together, and just keep doing that until it's fill all the way to the top. I have 16 bags right here. I don't think it's gonna be enough. Might have to go back to the store and get some more. I did try to use some of these loose dirt that the contractor dug up for these posts, but I don't think it's gonna be enough. Anyway, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of the garden slash bench project. What I'm going to be doing today is cutting out the actual bench, the seats. I'm going to do 6 of them, and I'm going to sand them down, get the corners, the top with my orbital sander, using 80 grit sandpaper. I'm going to drive the lows later on today, grab some stain, and I'm going to stain them just to make it look nice. Maybe put a coat or 2 of polyurethane. Probably not gonna get the glossy ones. I'm probably gonna need to do those matte looking polyurethane. I've heard it actually makes your wood look more natural and not all glossy like. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how I frame this bench. Pretty much I cut a couple of 2x4s, add it here, here, and then do a diagonal support bracket here and there. That would transfer all the weight from on this side, from the front, back down to the 4x4. Then I cap it off with another picket here, and then a support beam here to support the middle for my fat ass. I'm gonna just gap these by just eyeball it, not really particular spacing. I'll make it look a little bit cleaner than this, but that's how it is for now. One thing though is for the bench top, just do a pilot hole, countersink, and then drill the screw in. That way you can go back and use some wood filler and fill in all the holes from the screws, sand it down and stain it. That way you can't even see the screw at all. That's number 1. Number 2, the screw won't rust, and number 3, it won't back itself out. And you have small children at home, maybe I'll catch on the hand or something and cut them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just lay the camera down and just go through this real quick for you guys. Enjoy.